Hello everyone, my name is Xielian Xin, and I'm honored to share my research with you today. My presentation title is Dynamic Content Prediction with Motion-Aware Price for Bright-Face Video Restoration. Bright-Face Video Restoration focuses on reconstructing high-quality facial image sequence from degraded video inputs. The main challenge is addressing unknown degradations while maintaining temporal consistency across frames. Currently, bright-face image restoration results work very well for degraded images, but they don't perform as well when used for videos. Existing video restoration methods mainly focus on propagating information between frames and aligning them, but they can struggle with unknown degradations that affect the temporal coherence of the video. By introducing motion-aware information that considers both content and movement, we might be able to achieve better and more temporally consistent face video restoration results. In this paper, we propose a bright-face video restoration framework that achieves high fidelity and temporally coherent video restoration by predicting dynamic content with motion-aware price. The proposed motion-aware semantic dictionary is capable of encoding face semantics and capturing motion information in terms of element relations. We introduce a conditional structure feature correction module that corrects the features flowing from encoder to generator based on motion-aware price. This design ensures the generator receives clear face structure information. Here is an overview of our proposed DCP-MP framework, which consists of an encoder, a motion-aware dictionary, a temporal-aware element predictor, a motion regularization module, a feature correction module, and a generator. First, given a degraded face video, the encoder extracts features from the input. Next, a temporal-aware element predictor selects elements from the motion-aware dictionary to represent the input video. Based on the extracted features, the predicted elements are then regularized using motion information stored in the dictionary, improving temporal consistency. After that, a structure feature correction module further refines the features passed from the encoder to the generator, providing clear face structure information. Finally, the generator stores a high-quality face video using the refined features and the predicted elements. The key of our framework lies in two aspects. First, we built a motion-aware dictionary that not only stores high-quality features, but also captures motion information to help represent degraded videos. Second, we use a conditional structure feature correction module to further enhance feature quality for better restoration results. We train the dictionary using vector quantization methods, such as VQGAN, based on high-quality video reconstruction. After training, the dictionary elements are fixed, and we record the element sequence corresponding to temporal changes in the video. In this way, the dictionary captures motion information through the relationship between its elements. Subsequently, a temporal-aware element predictor is trained to estimate the dictionary elements that best represent the degraded video content. The motion information captured in the motion-aware dictionary is then leveraged to regularize the predicted elements, thereby enhancing temporal consistency. To improve the quality of features passed from the encoder to the generator, we introduce a conditional structure feature correction module. This module takes as input the intermediate features from the encoder, along with the output from the motion-aware content regularization module, and produce a clear feature representation. Additionally, we incorporate a consistency loss to encourage the correction module to focus on restoring accurate facial structure. As a result, the generator receives much clearer features and can better concentrate on generating fine texture detail. Here are our experimental results. we visualize the feature in front of heat map on the left. The heat map of the degraded frame feature shown in the second row contains significant noise. After the degraded feature is corrected by the feature correction module, the resulting heat map in the first row presents a much clearer phase structure. This structure closely resembles the high-quality feature heat map displayed in the final row. This result indicates the correction module effectively contributes to the structure feature correction. To analyze the role of each module in our model, we conducted a series of ablation studies. The ablation study results show that elements prediction and motion regularization are both crucial for improving the fidelity and temporal coherence of video restoration. Additionally, the structure feature correction module helps to reduce semantic distortion in the restored videos. Comparative experimental results indicate that our proposed method can restore realistic phase videos and achieve stable merges across frames. In conclusion, this paper presents a motion-aware price-based content prediction method for bright phase video restoration. We facilitate this task by learning the mapping between degraded content and motion-aware dictionary elements, while correcting phase structure features within these key connections. Toward this end, we introduce a motion-aware semantic dictionary to encode high-quality semantic and motion information. To leverage the price of dictionary, we incorporate a tempo-aware element predictor and motion regularization, which can effectively represent the dynamic degradation content and enhance the temporal coherence of the restored video. We further incorporate a conditional structure feature correction module to refine the degraded phase structure features within the key connection, which is essential for restoring texture details. Extended experiments validate the effectivity of our proposed framework. That's all. Thank you.